Oh, it's cold. Good morning. I've been up for like an hour and a half already. It's 7 a.m. right now, so 5:30. Except I went inside of the gym and did some relaxing things like sit in the massage chair. So I need to get coffee, and then from that point I will be going to the Arizona snowbowl, which I'm really excited about because it's very like winter fall-y type of destination, and the whole reason I wanted to do this road trip at all was to see fall colors. So I think it's going to be nice to kind of wrap it up with a little aspen bow on top. Yeah, last year I went up to the Northeast and I just feel like nothing compares to that, like at all. And it makes me a little bit sad. But at the same time, like, I'm really grateful that I was able to do that last year, and I look forward to the next opportunity that I can for a fall color hunt. Yeah, I'll talk to you in a little bit. I'm gonna finish getting ready and things, and after my coffee, I'm sure I'll have a lot more energy. Have a good one. On our way to the snowbowl. Wow. Here we are. Scenic gondola. Let's go. And we are here. So the gondola ride kind of alternates in price by the day. Weekends are more expensive, I think. And then it also increases if you buy it the day of. But if you buy it before the day of, weekday prices this week were $14. And each ticket comes with a $10 credit to use at their restaurant. So I paid $14 to be here, and I could probably sit down and have a little snack basically for free. So that is pretty exciting. Agassi's Lodge. This is where the gondola departs from. My own cabin. He said it's a 10-minute ride to the top. It's about 11,500 feet, and right now we're at 95. So 2,000. Let's go. Cheers to having my own gondola. Whee! This is so cool. Look at how yellow. So it says online that you can see all the way to Sedona, and on really clear days you can see the Grand Canyon once you get to the top. Look at that over there. That looks like some pretty fall colors too. Wow, that's beautiful. I was told there's not much to do up here, just take pictures, walk around a little bit, and then head back down. So we won't be here for long. Pretty ride though, pretty ride. Good, how are you?
Good.
Thank you. 11,500. The peak to keep going up, 12,000. Picnic tables, some benches, water. Arizona never ceases to amaze me. It's actually so nice up here, like temperature wise. It must be like 60 something.
Wait, did you bring your rash cream? No, I don't.
The overheards are amazing.
Save that for that big Belmont that you could explore that we're connected to it. It's pretty cool to go see. It's definitely like a crawl down into it.
Yeah. So cool. Thank you so much.
Have some fun.
I will. All right. Then down we go. Okay, so she said that one over there with all the pretty colors, which I can't really see right now. It's called Kendrick's Peak. adventure. $14 and a free drink. Not bad. Not bad at all. We're back. Sad. Oh yeah, this place also has like mini golf and like a tube slide thing, which is pretty cool, and a rock wall. I'm so bummed. I'm on a no red meat diet right now because the burgers from the barbecue smell so good. So good. Oh well, maybe next time. But my time here is over for today. Bye, snowbowl. Homeward bound. All right, getting on Route 66 and then I guess onto the 40. Look at this. We've got some fall colors here in Flagstaff. I am in Williams, Arizona. This is like kind of the last city to get to the Grand Canyon. I'm not going to the Grand Canyon. In fact, I actually didn't do several things because of the government shutdown, and I was reluctant to go to national parks. I don't know. I think it's weird that the national parks are included in a government shutdown because national parks are like an income source. Like they make a ton of money and like as a contribution to the economy. So I don't know. I get it though, because you know, then the bathrooms get overrun and they're not taken care of properly, and you don't want and the last time the government shut down, like there was a lot of damages that ended up lasting a while beyond the government opening back up. Because people are not, there are some people that don't know how to be respectful, or maybe they just are choosing not to, which is quite frankly deeply uncool. Like the people who like carve their names on rocks and trees, or paint things like graffiti, or even like people who litter. Like I just feel like these are some of the worst people. So anyways, I just ended up deciding not to go to any of the national parks that I was passing by the past week or so, after I did the Tent Rocks thing, which is like a tandem project with the government, I suppose, because it's also run by the Native American tribe that lives there. I'm not very happy that our parks are closed down, or the government, or any of it. All of it is very frustrating, but it is not something that I know how to, I don't know what I'm supposed to say about it or whatever, because I don't really understand it. I have a few more hours to get back into California, and then another few hours to get back home. I'm just gonna try and get as close to home as I can, so that way tomorrow I wake up and I can start unpacking and things like that. But thank you for joining me on this little journey for the past 2 weeks, a little over 2 weeks. I hope that you enjoyed it. I feel like it was something I needed. I really was just jonesing to get out into nature because I've been kind of at home all summer with the dog sitting and other odd jobs that I've done. I will see you next time.